everyone, welcome to my channel Bake Bread with Becca. Today I'm going to show you my recipe for vegan strawberry muffins. Now I do use a strawberry puree for these because I think it makes the muffins more tender and moist, and it also gives them a cute pink color. Now this recipe is really easy and it's delicious too, so be sure to give it a try. Preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit. Grease a muffin tin. Make a flax egg by combining the ground flax seed and hot water. Let this sit on the counter for a few minutes to gel up. Meanwhile, if you're making your own strawberry puree, go ahead and make it by pureeing either fresh or thawed strawberries in a blender. To make 1 cup of puree, you'll need about 2 cups of halved strawberries. It's okay if a few larger pieces of strawberry remain. In a large bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In another bowl, add the strawberry puree, cane sugar, flax egg, apple cider vinegar, vanilla, sunflower oil, and oat milk. Whisk to combine. Add the wet ingredients to the dry. Fold together using either a rubber spatula or a whisk. Be careful not to overmix the batter. Scoop the batter into the oiled muffin tin. Sprinkle the tops with demerara sugar if you like. Bake at 375 for 20 minutes for mini muffins or 25 minutes for regular muffins. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for more vegan bread recipes. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter as @breadwithbecca, and I'll see you all soon with another recipe.